Hello viewers, welcome to Audio Viz 360. Today I have the JBL Pulse 3 Bluetooth speaker. This speaker is completely dead and the subscriber said the charging port is broken. I'm not sure what happened exactly. So because of that it is not charging and it is not turning on. So let's tear this down. I will try to tear this down very minimally so that we can replace the port if the port is bad. So alright, without wasting any time, let me take out the mesh here. So to take this mesh out, we have to simply pry here like this. That's it. Then we can simply pull this like this. So I will keep that mesh separately. So you can see there are 3 drivers here. So alright, we have to take out this rubber part completely. So to take this out, we have to take the screws here. You can see. So 1 screw, 2 and 3, so that this rubber part will come out slightly like this, so that there will be screws here to take out the charging section here. So let me try using this. Otherwise we have to remove this top cover here, this cover. So let's try removing this. So let me do that. So I have taken out these 3 screws, not able to pull out, but this has come out. You can see this is already broken here. So it will be easy for me now, not required to take this out. So this is oxidized, because of that this is broken. Otherwise this should come separately. This total half part, this part will come separately after removing the screws here. There will be one more piece here to close this, but it is missing here in this case. So alright, so I'm not going to take this since the part is broken here. Now it's time to take out these 4 screws as I said earlier. So let me take that out. So 4 screws has been removed. Now it's time to simply pry this to pull this out. You can see this is coming out. The cables are there. So let's remove one of the driver here so that we can access from this side. So now I'm taking this out. So you can see, I'm showing you in close up. We have the access to these connectors so that we can pull it easily. So from this space, that's why I have removed the speaker driver here. So let me remove this. So you can see I have taken out the sockets here, 2 sockets. So this part it will come out easily now. So that's it. Now it's very easy to work here. So alright, let me keep the speaker separately. So now you can see there are 2 separate boards here. So one is charging section and the other one is aux port. So yes, this side it is aux port and this side it is charging section. So let me take out one of these screw so that we can have access to the charging port and we can see whether it is broken or not. So this screw I have taken out. Now it's time to slowly lift like this and pull it. You can see the port is broken and it is inside. So you can see I have taken out, the port is broken and it is inside. So this is the port problem. So this is micro USB. So alright, let me take out and solder that. It is simply disconnected from the board. I think port is very good. So alright, let me take this out. So now it's time to solder this micro USB pin into the board. So let me do that. So finally I have installed the charging port here. So you can see it has been soldered and it is perfect. So even I have just tested it by connecting the cable. Voltage is coming in this socket. So I have connected the wire here just to check. Even after connecting this charging, so LED light is not glowing here. So let me show you here. So I am connecting here. So you can see light should glow here. Battery is not charging, may be ideal for very long time. I'm not sure whether battery is good or not. So I'm going to fix this, assemble this. Then I will open the top case to check whether the battery is good or not. So alright, so I have connected the wires here. Now simply we have to put the screws and we have to install the speaker here as well. So let me install all these screws and speakers. So I have fixed the speaker. I have installed the screws here as well. So and I have removed the screws of this top. So this will come out easily like this. Further I have to take the cover out. So you can see here there is a Bluetooth antenna here. Just I am going to slowly lift it so that it will come like this. Then we can take out the screws here. There will be 6 screws here right round. You can see 1. All screws has been removed here. 2, 3 like this. Right round screws will be there. So before pulling this further, we have to take out these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So let me take these 5 screws. So now it will come out very easily. So further we have to take out these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 screws here. So let me take that out so that I can access the connectors of the battery, so that this part, white part, will come separately. So let me take that out. So alright, I have taken out the screws. Now you can see the connectors here, battery wires, everything is there. So let me access to the battery wire and check the voltage. If the battery is bad, need to replace the battery. So let me check the voltage and confirm you here. So I have removed this and I have removed the connector of the battery, and I have checked the voltage here, which is around 3.43 voltage. So that is sufficient for charging, but the motherboard is not taking the charge and it is completely dead. So we have to replace the motherboard in this case. So that is the problem. That is the one more problem in this case. One is charging port. I think the subscriber tried to connect the charger here. Because of the bad motherboard, it is not charging, so he tried forcing the charging point here, and the micro USB port has been broken. So now it is fixed, port is fixed. Now we have to replace the motherboard so that the speaker will turn on. So after inquiring with the subscriber, he asked me to replace the motherboard. So I have the motherboard in stock. So I'm going to replace this motherboard. This is the working motherboard. The bad motherboard is inside, so I have to take out and I am going to replace this. So let me install this. So even if you want to buy this motherboard of JBL Pulse 3, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. If you want me to ship it to any part of India, it can be shipped using speed post courier. Or else if you want me to replace the motherboard like this, or if you want me to fix the speaker, then you can send it to me here so that I can replace it and I can ship it back to your address. So alright, let's continue. Now it's very simple. Just we have to take out these two screws. Then we have to take out all the terminals here, this part. Then we can slide from this place. So it will come out like this way. We have to push from this side, and motherboard will come this way. So alright, let me take this out, all the cables here. So I have taken out the cables here of this part, so it is separated now. Now we have to take out the battery wire, then the LED wires here. This is battery temperature sensor here. So alright, 3 connections are there here. So we have to slightly slide, pull here this side, then we can remove all the cables, then we can insert this motherboard here in the same place. So alright, let me push it. So I'm pushing it from this side. You can see motherboard is coming. So now we can take out the cables here just by pulling like this. So that's it. So let me further pull the motherboard. Nothing is there in between. So finally the motherboard has come. So you can see these are the motherboards. So the left one is not working and the right one is perfectly working. Original JBL Pulse 3 motherboard. So even I have few motherboards for sale here. So if you want to buy, as I said earlier, please do message on this above WhatsApp number to buy this. So alright, so let me keep this motherboard separately and install this motherboard in its place. So alright, let's install the motherboard here. Just we have to keep it in the placeholder here and we have to push it. That's it. It's simple. So you can see it is just going inside. Now before pushing completely in, I have to connect this battery cable here. So let me connect this. Connection. So that's it now. So I have pushed this completely. Now it's time to simply put the screws here back to its place. So and tighten it. So that's it. Now it's time to install this part. Now let me install everything and come here. So I have installed everything. I hope now it should work. So first let's connect the charger here. As you can see, the light has started blinking here. So I hope you can see. So voltage is less in the battery, it should get charged, but it will turn on hopefully. So let me turn on the speaker here. So let me press the micro switch here. So you can see the speaker is turned on. So after replacing the motherboard, everything is perfect. So red light is blinking because 3.43 voltage was there. Because of that, red light is blinking. We have to assemble it back, then we have to connect it for charging. Let me put the speaker back to its place. So alright, so simply we have to keep like this. Then again we have to put all these screws. So let me put these screws and come here. So I have installed the screws here. Now it's time to put the top cover back to its place. So like this, we have to position it properly. Make sure that antenna cable doesn't block the way. So now we have to simply install the screws here. I have installed the Bluetooth antenna cable here as well. So let me put 5 screws here. So all 5 screws has been installed. Now it's time to put the base radiator here. Now I have to install the screws here. So let me install the screws. So alright, all 6 screws has been installed. Now just we have to put the screws here of this housing which holds from the bottom, so that further air leakage will be blocked. So let me install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Yes, totally 6 screws. So let me do that and come here. So done, all 6 screws has been installed. So now it's time to put the cover here. That's it. So alright, everything is fixed. Now it's time to turn on and have a demo here.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Alright, so it is working perfectly. So now let me show you the charging functionality here as well. So you can see charger is connected and it is glowing now. Light is glowing here. So I hope you can see here. So charging is also working perfectly. So it will take some 4 to 5 hours or maybe more than that to fully charge, because battery is completely drained as of now. So I will take this. That's it, charging is working perfectly. So if you have any problem in your JBL Pulse 3 Bluetooth speaker or any model like JBL Pulse 1, Pulse 2, Pulse 3, Pulse 4, Charge 1, Charge 2, Charge 2 Plus, Charge 3, JBL Extreme, Go, Go Plus, Go 2, Go 3, JBL Clip 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. So if you have any issues, please let me know. I have spares available with me. So if you want me to replace the motherboard or if you want me to replace the batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. Even batteries are available for sale and motherboard is also available for sale. So if you want me to do service, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it to me here through courier, so I can fix it and I will ship it back to you. For spares, you can contact me. You can just message to this WhatsApp number. I will reply you definitely. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.